mama chima kwa bambra Badwam Ahosepe dwumadie so world of entertainment nia echego ye fata woni no fun ye de somo base na be adwum as we say thank God it's Friday abana sana na Friday Pete baba na gina mu say ya wona me bre wona me kwa homegiem because we Adom TV was adwuma ni pe boy abere go na matebu once watch we do ta krade mune na mu am so there bi o sa ba ya no kwagina home yam jima wo dem wife adamwa but in the Sandra or him adwuma nyame Adom entertainment am ye Ghana fo tremu a me am ne guy no
where the guy guy sister Sandy be a guy
Ghana's entertainment person
we a guy
you know mo bomb samrani said the guys me and almost bomb samrani so Ghana's entertainment from chima the whole Ghana became a Ghana now yeah came mama fair photo we ntwam real quick ansana ya konsem no so enem kwala na amaba ne mabunu no ma share hu se mu ade bebre na emu ade
oyi konkon
we kwa ye kon we afutu afatwe mama o hwe nkwala ya wo yi 10 a emu 8 de ya gazo omu ade once I say hwe wo ne ho a gone too soon na doso tete no utimi hu celebration of life call to glory on age 105 e be 106 just say omo nei okwa na 23 20 19 25 just 30 kura kwala yinu bisa what a shock na no kwa what a shock na kwala picture say and I'm saying when I picture is say am what a shock what a shock nenam and kwala no me ehwe bibi ye tumufo amuntie because na mabunu ni pi mu ade because ring light ayefo ya tete so China phones adoso ya tete so oyonko set camera light or man ho action not social the dim penifo atem mu didi empenifo presidency mudi o matem mutimi di John Mahama atem sebi mutimi di ewura na Akufo Addo atem sebi mutimi di adi ahemfo atem enkwala mu ade mu nso bibi nso because wo no tete no compound house usro krampo say o wofa obedi natem ezana mutimi twam mu fie etimi sete camera eba social ebedi nkrofo papa atem na mbizaza na opanyi picture mo fie wo ho kwala no mu hwe bibi mun hwe bibi papa because mo ha atra mani nton anya na de nkwala ye nye penifo won so mo ma mo ho so na nkwala na mo ntia wo e wo se ye pello bi krampo a wudi panyi atem social media kwa ye pello a ebetimi discipline because mu je mo ho bi wo kwa do mo ho toto fe obi wo krampo a wonim deodorant use enkwalai o misa anka twade agbompo no de afana motium no asete camera no obedi mpanifu atem akola na ya oda wotre na oka dwunsoguo no asete camera no obedi mpanifu atem me am person me shada agina stream me shada pe me chema hwemo serious one ade no no obia so hwe omudi obia anye se obeka ho asem na nkwala nti social ahemfo na wonhro ohene ene na do ma hene mu tubi mane no na mu twam hwi mu ade na mu de adu asante hene so mu ade eya na maspaki esa minum ja opem so nana onkwa so do ma hene so onkwa so ma yanto aso ya sorry ye na say yewura John Dramani Mahama eguso ye ministerial appointment no na ye person ya select a minister si ko ni ade na drew creative art drew ye so osmo fansemo asia mama efama yeah nkama ya so na yo na ne Jifa Gomashi appointed as Minister of Tourism, Culture and Creative Arts. Enyofe boom say aye na story me produce ba ku you say honorable Katrina Feku ana ba ho ka maame no oba ye obeye niema ali so bo Katrina Feku dia to make us year of return beyond the return na obo mama dia na yo na me si jai na kogogo na so ko kenken bi na mo pa adwuma mo de che nipa kon dodo and the internet wo won yes oba kusua this oba bizam say oboni din ade na abinya mu ade bi na making o hwe mahama aban kwa no deputy minister adwuma no experience I think that from 2013 to 2017 kwa mommy wo experience na ono kwa sa wo is it or degree in theater art what I say was actually a senior actress so won kaya on the Gen Z no ayana mususwa mon sam pa de suenti no de onima na TikTok na obu atopagin onye so obesua de usua de anka be advert amami watwa we have vitamin A together we senior actress and you know we hope say or what experience in that field you know or bar creatives no obi ani beje and I must say Momon singing and I boy again and I won't call again is for obia CPP NPP new force that is what it is obia ani beje intino onwina ye appoint no big congratulations to you mommy bon pa say yim baba me tell you mo yes na me sham e wo honum so this is our you know what I'm saying we are creative this is for us kwa na Akon won krama enkofo on say Akon okoni krom Senegal ho na we see some estates bia is wild abonsan just say we see so sky buildings we see bebre woni krom a opese oche attraction ba so kwa ba Ghana kra Michael oh boy God is saying Michael Blankson eso sweet me be see school just a ludicrous crab again. I'm just uncle barbering shops and correcting the pictures. A wobble down. It is a Akon Eden Craway air money Africans are a good. Kanka Ghana for na Makudia Buchopes over back. Baye Jumayana Williams to show say, oh, Diana may be obey the answer saying. See Akon bra. And Sino Scafoka Sano Phoebe. Na Akon na air cast him. I was more than I would have born some na pay investors be. No Mumra Africa. This is the only way out. I remember. Behold, the Voltage Palace. Ladies and gentlemen, the time has come for me to introduce you to the biggest, the polished, and the one and only Voltage Palace. Ebi ayanko forecast ni senfo hia kan kwa asem bebre na ade hia kan kwa asem bebre wo social ne so bebre na wo hia ho kire kom ahoye ani bre ne na nso no nyama bebre wo so wo kan ti ana o kan se mhunu wo social ne so abanti abonyom for how many years kobisa Tigo Fest na ejumedi Adom TV somewhere 2011 2012 Tigo Fest no size here abanti ya de ne to show PK pa kwasi akom na combination na me dance for it need to show so as at that time no assistant edin from bandana to shatawale na off stage no abonyu me for dance okay na the whole Ghana as at that time na nkofo a e boje abrante no so na enye ene eti nipa do ya ade osaye obi twia ne dues money nyema no wo chene bedru so na mo de Abrante na twia ni dues abedru ha no. Comment section person mo chere say edan na eden but you know nipa no comment kra bia na wo han dan. Nipa no comment e bi kra na wo da kiosum. Te wo senka wo comment I tap in your blessing. Na ka hye wo nkran. Na wo chena bi no wo so de aba na ye bonsem ma wo. Enu so abonsem ma wo yonko te. Shatawale na atene dan ano a. Comment section because oh your old house is even nice and fan the old house is nicer. The new house is nicer. It is his house. Is it your house? Your house, it is your house? No. Let's not do that. This is our own. David on the be a fianoa. Come on, I say I tap into your blessing. And so in Nigeria coin. Passport crowd grab in Nigeria coin. But we uncle Ghana ni artists. At Diana. All you could have done is write congratulations. And that's it. But as usual. Men call for Ghana for monam comment na say sem hunu ni ahoye asa enye hwe ya ye ni age ama no ene wa hwe me sure so ani age ama no ya nkọ na kọ the Voltage Police Shatawale What's going on, bro? It's nice, bro. But one is a home. Na brochure for ya bicha na yete ha. Na ye chale. Nkophobia e wose ye hwahwo mo pa o ma brewe industry nim pa. E bia na uswa we industry nim. Omo growth pa. You cannot take Shatawale out. Let's be honest with ourselves. You can't take him out. Because no. Chasana sa minimum. Eh, na me say ko bisa pike ne ko bi show tigo face. Guy na bre. Tiene se wo didi ne bre ho a. Umani nidi. Mani nidi kwa mo shada mo ano. Nti ono aye na Shatawale order makoma so because guy na bre. That is a sign me bre. Na me bre na nya me ahye ne ho ani wonya na me was morning the meeting I remember it was. A foot de ba no wetie bi. Yemfa ho ne ba bi efiri ba. The foot de ba na wetie, especially experience is the best teacher. Na no yenua ba me here. Sembe gu ho ya na so she ato apetine obi e kan bia. Oh Henry fit yeah. I am person make because your ba sem ya. But ono ana wakopie modwumade bi ase a bo tumofo ne ntie okopie Henry face mpemu a asem ne koba asa e na odi aye futu a o tumofo na mom nam comment section was say we listen we don't take we listen we don't but am kwala yem kotie ne ma ne de okopie mpanim wo twem.
I was depressed actually. I know many of you didn't see me cry. When Auntie Bobia said I was going to say something, I wanted to tell you, because I know there are so many young people here, that you need to be extremely careful of the choices you make today. I was going to tell you this last year, and I didn't say it. But then I'll be doing you a lot of disservice if I don't say it this year. So let me repeat it. That there are so many young ones here. You are mostly in the university. So please, be extremely careful and picky of the decisions you make while you're young. I'm not old, I'm still young, but I'm older than many of you here. And I am repeating again that be extremely careful about the decisions you make, because 6, 7, 5, 3, 2 years later, they'll come back and bite you really hard in the face. And that's exactly what happened to me last year. And I didn't finish my Thanksgiving sermon, but this woman, you know, in my period of, I was depressed actually. I know many of you didn't see me cry, which will never happen, but she did. And I was in my house, you know, that day, and then she came and she said, let's go and buy ice cream. And I wasn't talking to anyone, but she came to pick me up, took me to Osu. And I was trying to wear a cap, I remember. And she said, why? Why do you want to hide your face? Let's go. You know, she bought me ice cream, a big cup of ice cream, and said, you today eat all the ice cream you can. And we took another long drive. We almost went to Ebri, but we never made it to Ebri. But she said she was going to take me.
You know, Obefebina yada yuwas. We na doya oda because say and I'm not being come say 2,500 you be busu me pay o. Na na ebe mujini day. Wow. Osmo bon semano na. Jumane na from. Two for and na after we also depressed. I know we make up stress. So depression dey chill bia, mo bia na ada. Obi anya above depression. Say ana what's so adi amame. Happy birthday nkoma my lovely son. My first boy, Alan Kwating. Oh, nyame sure baby boy. Happy birthday. You know mommy loves you so much. Go school up at Estate one of no South on Trust with J31. Alan, much love baby. Ubaya neze ni dia jowo for my me twa ticket abekuma say I know lie. I mean sure peace and the oberepa. Happy birthday Alan from all of us, Serwaa, Martina, George, myself, everybody loves you. Happy birthday baby boy. My main fancy because upcoming a book interview ama well kwale somebody mu ade na making coming no they will sister pay yes Melpon na Weber Mark Weber I am a director. Santi Ashima Godeshe, Jeffrey Pona Namaka Weber. I am a director. OPD, Kaswa Beyonce, I'm a producer. Ken Osmosis, a sound engineer. AB, camera, AB, and I feel Bamili. Omonso Halizi will makeup department. Uchi menim. And the man, I'm the guy's queen. Same time, Monday, same channel. I'll be back.